Hello students, welcome to all in online teaching session 2020-21 which is taken by Arihant English Medium School Solapur. So today we are here to study the lesson of 8th class, the English subject English. The name of the lesson is Dick Whittington and his cat. Okay, I am Bhagyashree Rathod. Here you can see the picture Dick Whittington and his cat. Yes. This lesson is the English folklore about real life of Richard Whittington, a wealthy merchant, and later he became Lord Mayor of London. Here you can see the picture of one boy. The name of the boy is Dick Whittington, who was poor and was lived in a small village which is in south of England. So he had no parents because his both parents were died, and the villagers, the neighbors, always treat him unkindly. Means they were unfriendly with him. So once he heard from someone that the street of gold, streets of London paved, means made by gold. So he thought that he will go to London and picked some gold from the street and become a rich person, because he observed that people were giving respect to only rich persons. So he thought that he will go to London and he will try to make his future bright. So he decided himself to go to London, and suddenly he walked away on the way. So here you can see the picture of one cart. So on the way, one carter met with Dick, and the carter asked to Dick, was he running away from home? मतलब वो घर से भागा हुआ है या ऐसे उस कार्टर ने पूछा. What is meant by carter? A man who is running the cart, who run the cart. So that carter asked to Dick. In reply, Dick said that I don't have home. I am alone. So I am going to London to make my future, to find my fortune. So that carter said to him that sit beside to me, we will journey together. So that carter gave lift to Dick, and they both went to London. Finally, before evening, they arrived in London, and the carter left the Dick in between the road and went into the hotel to leave. See here you can see the picture of the London, city London, and the Dick was there. You can see here. So, and everywhere the Dick searched and asked himself that where is all fine gold? Because all the streets are looking dirty, and the people are unfriendly in behavior. So he is saying that he is asking to himself, because he heard that the streets of London made with gold. Nothing else he found there, and finally he wandered in search of food there, but no one is ready to give food, and no one is ready to give a work to do also. So he was survived there to search the food, and finally at night he spent all his night in the corner of an alley, means in the corner of a narrow passage which is between two buildings, or behind the building, a small place you can see there. So he spent whole his night in that place only. In the next morning he woke up cold, miserable, means seeing helpless and very hungry. He was very, very hungry in the morning. He wandered around begging for food. He was searching for food there, but no one is ready to give. So at last he fallen down because of weakness. He fallen down, and then, but luckily he fallen down in front of one house, and that house was of a rich merchant, and the name of the rich merchant was Mr. Fitzwarren. When the Fitzwarren arrived there, he saw that boy who was fallen on the street because of weakness, and he saw that his cook was chased. His cook was chasing to Dick. He is saying that go away from here. Okay, so finally Mr. Fitzwarren arrived there, and he was asking to Dick that why, if you want to food, why don't you work for the food? In reply, Dick said that I would work. Okay, I want to do work, but no one is ready to give me a work. So finally Mr. Fitzwarren ordered to his cook, take Dick into the kitchen, first feed him, give food to eat him, and then find some work for him. So finally Dick was given a home and a living. So finally Dick got one home to live and food to eat, and a small job also he got there. What job he got there? To help the cook in the kitchen, to wash the pots and pans and whatever the things need to the cook in kitchen, all the things that Dick have to give to the cook. So finally that job he got there, but instead of that, two difficulties in front of him. Two difficulties was in front of him. First is that a place he got to sleep, that is, the place was very small, that is called attic is there, a very small room inside a pointed roof, means under the roof one small room was there in the triangular shape, very small it is, only one person can sleep there. So that room he got to sleep, but there are so many rats and mice were there. Here you can see the rats and mice, they are jumping on the Dick, and the Dick couldn't sleep peacefully because of the rats and mice. So first difficulty he was facing. So what payment, okay, what money he was getting from that job? Few money he saved, few pennies means few monies he saved, and he paid to buy a cat. In this picture, left side you can see he was buying a cat. Okay, sorry, he is buying a cat, and in the right side's picture you can see that cat is chasing the rats and mice. So finally that cat helped the Dick to sleep peacefully. In the next picture you can see here, he is sleeping peacefully and the cat is near to him. So this is the one difficulty, and another difficulty is that Dick couldn't overcome. It overcome easily. So that second difficulty is that cook's bad temper. Okay, that cooks had anger, too much anger, and always she shouted on Dick while doing the work. And sometimes, here you can see the picture, that cook's bad temper, it is another difficulty he faced. She always in bad temper, shouted on Dick, and sometimes hit with wooden spoon on his head. You can see in the picture that one wooden spoon in the hand of cook, and she is trying to beat him. Yes, so this is the another difficulty, but it is not easy to overcome. First difficulty, it was easy to overcome on it because he bought one cat and that problem solved. But this is another difficulty because he wanted he wanted to eat, so he couldn't leave that house. So finally so he was tolerating the cook's bad temper, but here you can see the picture next. But he was fed up. He was fed up from bad temper of that cook, and because of cook's bad temper, he decided to leave the house. And then he and his cat left the house and go on the path of Holloway, as far from London. So he left the house and started to walking on the path of Holloway. And but after some time, he went near to the church's gate, and that day is 1st of November. That day was 1st of November, and that day declared that All Saints' Day. Okay, so he here you can see the picture. But after some time passed, he sat on a big stone to take rest in front of the church gate. See, then in the next picture you can see that statue of a cat which sat on the stone. So after some year passed, that statue was made. It's time of 1st November, All Saints' Day, that day declared. So suddenly the bell rang, and he listened a message and felt that it was for him only. Okay, along with the bell's ring, one message he got, and he felt that message only for him. What is the message? Go back, Whittington. Your luck is with you. In future you will become respectable person and Lord Mayor of London. So he came back to home. So he heard one message. Okay, in book you can see that, turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen. Worthy means respectable, and thou means you, citizen, Lord Mayor of London. The same message given through the bell's ring. So he decided himself that if I want to become a Lord Mayor of London, I can tolerate that cook's bad temper easily. If I want achieve something, I can tolerate anything. So he came back to home. So one day, the Mr. Fitzwarren wanted to send a ship as a business purpose to the African coast. Coast means seashore. So he called all the house members together and told and said them that he wanted to send a ship to the African coast for business. If anyone wanted to sell something from them, they can give. So everyone give the things to sell instead of accepting Dick, because Dick had nothing to sell, only he had the cat with him. So Mr. Fitzwarren kindly asked Dick, have you nothing of your own, Dick? He is asking that you had nothing to sell, that is your own. Then replied, Dick said that I have only my cat. Then let your cat go on the ship. So Mr. Fitzwarren said that, then give your cat to sell. That Alice, Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter, Then Alice interrupted and said that Dick loves his cat very much. Can I put something else for Dick from my side? So Mr. Fitzwarren said that no, that thing must be that person's only who wanted to sell. So finally, Dick fetched his cat and said goodbye sadly. And Mr. Fitzwarren, here you can see that Dick is giving his cat, and the captain was also become happy to see the cat, because that cat will save the goods which is on the ship, because the cat was excellent mouser. Mouser means an animal that catches mice. So that captain also became very happy, and after some times the ship went from the London's seashore, and finally that after some months passed, ship arrived at the place. Here you can see finally the ship arrived on the African seashore. The name of the place was Barbary, where the ship arrived, and the people who lived in Barbary they called Moors. And finally the ship arrived there. Captain sent a message to king that he had fine goods to sell, and king sent message and called captain to see the fine goods. Goods means the things which for sell. When captain arrived in palace, some food that some cook took the cook bring the food for the captain in front of captain. So within a second all the rats and mice came there and finished all the food. To see the scene, that captain shocked, that captain amazed, what is going on there? He was asking to king, what happened just now? So in reply, king said that this is the trouble we are facing in the whole kingdom. So many rats and mice are there, and they are troubling to us. And so captain said that don't worry, I have a solution. The captain said that I have a solution, and he sent a message to the servant, the workers who are working on the ship, for Dick's cat. And finally the cat arrived there, and you can see in the next picture that cat suddenly jumped over. After some time, that once again cook bring the food, and as soon as the rats and mice came there, the cat jumped over all the rats and mice and within some time ate dozen. In how? What is the amount? Dozen means nearby 10 to 12 rats and mice the cat ate. And to see that scene, the king was very happy, and the queen also. Here you can see the picture, the happiness of king and the happiness of queen also. That queen was ready to buy the cat, and the king said that what is the price of this cat? I wanted to buy this cat. So finally the cat get 10 times more money of that all fine, means whatever the goods were available on the ship, all goods bought by the king, and for that only cat king gave the amount 10 times more than all fine goods. So finally that ship get back to the London seashore. The captain told the story of cat to Mr. Fitzwarren, and Mr. Fitzwarren called Dick and said the cat's story and gave all amount what the captain got for the cat. You can see here so much, too much, that Dick got lumps of wealth to sell a cat, and he started working with Mr. Fitzwarren and became rich merchant. Fine. After that, Mr. Fitzwarren said that, Dick, here all amount of yours, and now we called you Mr. Whittington because now you became a rich man. So from that day, that Dick started working with Mr. Fitzwarren, and after some time he became a rich merchant, and he married to Mr. Fitzwarren's daughter Alice, and after latter he elected thrice means 3 times for the mayor post and became Lord Mayor of London. 3 times he became Lord Mayor of London. And after that, here you can see the picture. Okay, he got the honorable title. After becoming Lord Mayor of London, he got the honorable title Sir Richard, which is given by the King of London, and he became Sir Richard Whittington. Finally, he got that honorable title, and he became Sir Richard Whittington. So, and when he was old, he always say his cat's story to his grandparents, and what message he got by the bell's ring. What is the message? Turn again, Whittington, thou worthy citizen, Lord Mayor of London. Go back to home, Whittington. In future, you will become a respectable citizen and you will become a Lord Mayor of London. So go back to home. And he listened that message. Means, what is the message we got from this lesson? That don't run away from your problems. Face your problems and you can get the solution to solve the problem. So don't run away from your disaster. Don't run away from your problems. Whatever the things you are facing, it is not the right way to solve it or to overcome it. So this is the message we got from this lesson. Thank you.